Check out the Vamtac racing jacket that I have right over here. That Vamtac sent me out this product in exchange for a review video as a gift that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we are going to go more in depth to show you guys all the features about this jacket. So without going further, let's go more in depth to show you guys more about this jacket. Alright, so a few things that I absolutely love about the Vamtac racing jacket is number one is that it is soft and comfy. Now the inside material you can see right over here, it's really soft and comfy, and that way you can wear this in all types of seasons. So pretty much in the summer, during the fall, during the winter, so in autumn season, so you can wear it whenever you want to. And another thing I love about it is that the material is made of a 100% polyester material as well too, and it's also like a leather material as well, which feels really nice and soft when I feel it. And I also love the racing inspired logos as well too. So let's say for example you're trying to go for like a concert, a festival, or some type of show or something like that, like a car show or something like that, to give that racing vibes and that inspiration of racing. Then it says like racing right over here. It says Vamtac on the back side. It gives the racing inspired vibes as well too. It says the numbers as well right over here, and then also first place as well too. You can see all the graffiti that's on right over here, just like that. It looks absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love the embroidered, how they, it's like stitched, so it looks really nice when it's put onto it. The stitching on this is really high quality and nice when you touch it and feel it, like right over here and this right over here. And I love the back side as well too. It says the Vamtac logo on the back side, which looks really nice. I love the red and the contrast colors that's on the backing of it as well too. But right over here, I also love the buttons are also high quality as well too. So you could also close it up. So let's say for example, it's like winter time. You could just lock it in place just like that and just close it up. And the buttons are really nice and soft. So you could, take it on and off whenever you feel like it. And then after that, just take it out just like that. And you can see it's high quality. It's not going to come off or anything like that. But now what we're gonna do now is that we are going to show you guys a front and back view of this Vamtac racing jacket. Before we show a front and back view of the Vamtac racing jacket, I also do want to let you guys know is that the sizing right over here is a size large. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds. So this does come oversized. So if you're trying to go for that oversized look, then make sure to go for something like a large, for example, according to your weight and height adjustments. So that is something to keep in mind. This does come oversized, but what we're going to do now is that we are going to show you guys the front and back view of this racing jacket. And just like that, I absolutely love the Vamtac racing jacket. You can pair it up with some sunshades to give it that Y2K look if you're trying to go for like a concert or a fashion look. This right over here, this Vamtac racing jacket, I just love the fact that you can wear this in all types of seasons. So you can wear this during the summer, during the fall, during the winter, and it's autumn, so you can wear it whenever you want to. And I love it's soft and comfy. The buttons are also high quality as well too. The inside material is also really nice as well too. So if you're looking for a racing jacket for to wear during the concerts, during the festivals, or you're trying to go like this for something like a car show, for example, to give it that racing vibes and that racing, the inspirations, then this Vamtac racing jacket right over here is by far one of the best jackets to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.